Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Locket so you can act immediately. Tap the Locket widget on your home screen or launch the Locket app. This shows live photos from your friends. Once you see the photo, press and hold it or tap the photo to reveal options because that exposes edit controls. Make sure you're viewing the exact image tied to the contact. This prevents deleting the wrong picture and saves time later. Once you've revealed options, tap Edit or the three-dot menu to access photo controls. This is where removal happens. You then choose Remove Photo or Delete and confirm when prompted, because confirmation prevents accidental loss. If you want to replace rather than delete, select Replace and pick a new image from the gallery or take a photo. Make sure to wait for any upload progress to finish so the change syncs to recipients. After deleting, check the widget and app to confirm the image is removed. This ensures the change propagated. If it still appears, force close Locket and reopen it, then refresh or restart your phone, because cached images sometimes linger. If removal still fails, confirm Locket has storage and photo permissions and that your online, poor network, or denied permissions block sync. One quick troubleshooting tip: log out and back in only if everything else fails, since that forces a fresh sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.